These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Hold on. Don't move.
You wouldn't even think that thing would splash over there. It's like an explosion.
Freehola33 donated $2. What you doing UNC if you visited Africa and an elephant start chasing you?
That's the reason why I need somebody with heavy artillery. But if I'm by myself somehow, bro, I don't know what to do. I don't know what you can do if there's a angry male elephant chasing you. He going through trees. You can't climb it. You can't zigzag him. I don't know. That is a good answer. Like, I thought that's a good answer, bro, because there's no better answer than that, bro. Like,
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
wow. Man, nature is wow. Crazy. Get the bro.
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
So if he was
Zaza donated $2. What did do flight crew FTC flight team stand up?
wrong streamer, if he was just a few more yards up here, he could have died.
Wow. The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Boy, forget that damn boat, boy. It's gonna float. You not. Forget about that boat.
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its
The
way to
other
Ireland
video
when
you
it ran into...
reacted to had some of the same clips, but there's some crazy ones that weren't in the one you reacted to.
Hey, bro, we doing this right here now, bro.
to some pretty heavy waves.
You gotta respect the old nasty. What happened?
Waves.
What the fuck happened to telekinesis? What
The
happened?
ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
Oh, they on a boat.
Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Cooked. Cooked. These are boulders.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018,
If this not a big shout out to the big man above, dog, I don't know what else is. Like, if this was some Final Destination stuff, bro, you, I mean, you not, you better watch out, bro, because you ain't supposed to be here no more. Shout out to the big man
back in
above.
2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
This scary. That is scary. Like, I'm not filming. I'm going far away as possible. Like, why are we looking at it? That's. Look at this.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
This Why will you keep driving? I'm not about to get into action. That big boulder right there, bro. Gone.
In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go. Where do we get the boom?
Y'all.
Where do we get the boom?
On November...
Yo. So this shockwave right here, if you're near there, like, you're cooked. You're done. Like, with that shockwave, like, it... Okay, no. Somebody say busted eardrums. You blow out and you get pushed back. Ooh. So you'll go deaf. Oh, check, my bad.
Where do we get the boom?
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
I'm in California, y'all. Everybody predicting that one
This
big
volcano
one.
in Indonesia erupted and
Nobody know
created some
when.
of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
That's how I keep beautiful, bro. That's a beautiful wallpaper.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year. Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
What?
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
I got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get
Snow
wet.
lightning?
Look up, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
Yo, I drove to this right here, bro. For some reason, though, like, seeing this in person is a whole, and you people from California, you know what I'm talking about. It's a different type of vibe just being there and seeing it than just seeing it on the camera. Like, I ain't gonna say I with that this one, but y'all remember that last fire though? Like, seeing the houses just fire, bro, and seeing like hills and stuff just on fire. You see it like the fire right there. It's crazy to see. Y'all from California, bro. I know, you know what I'm talking about. The camera don't do it justice. Yeah, it's like it's like.
Back in 2019, this
It's
giant
eerie.
landslide happened in China. About 12 months ago,
Yo, anybody who was internet is gone. RP. Like, there's no comeback from that.
a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Hey, close the fucking garage!
This hailstorm in Texas
Fucking stop sign gonna fly in there and tell them to stop. Boom! Stop recording! Close the damn garage! Bro!
was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
That's scary. Mother Nature is scary.
He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it.
right, turn back around.
About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
Hey, this for sure a business owner. Yo, well, let it go, y'all. Like, that thing. Business is slow. Alright.
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023.
I'm gonna try to bring that thing back. Hey, W, stop.
Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event.
Dang, I didn't know they had it out here. Oh. What?
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
This is scary. Look like you're going through hell. Man, you know he got that air blasting, AC blowing like it's
This
snowing.
reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
Dummy, get some of this, wet water.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Damn, that thing torching the car.
In May 2016, one of the
That's a good question right here, y'all. Is lava hotter than fire?
Yeah. Did I lose you? Did I?
So there is such thing as things being hotter than fire. I mean, obviously the sun.
biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
I know that icebergs are bigger underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy.
Bro, that is so beautiful. But don't you just want to go over there and just, like,
In Pakistan,
just grab a cup and just get some of that ice, bro? Just, you know what I mean? Just,
in Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Couldn't be me. Blaming Mother Nature. Yeah. Lead them back.
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house.
What are the chances of that? Planes can withstand lightning, though? Is that facts? They made a protective casting for something that deflects lightning? I did not know that. So do planes get struck by lightning more commonly than we think?
giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Bro, look at them. Them boulders huge.
In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Oh! 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 Boom! Oh! That would have been bad.
Get that on video.
Officially over.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened. This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh, you got... Oh! Run!
From 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
Oh, man. Oh, man. That's God.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
Y'all. Look at this.
A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding. This dad...
Y'all, I'm so superstitious. I would have thought God, like, giving me a sign. I'm telling you. If this was happening to me, bro, I'd be like, yeah, bro. God telling me not to, bro. Yeah, the red flags was there. Everybody got red dresses on. She a 304. Oh, bro. I would have finessed my way out of this one. Yeah, think about that red flags. Everybody in red dresses. What? Yeah.
This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
We will get taken too.
Oh my gosh.
Dang! Better get in the house, boy!
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
Whoa!
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Ah, lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm,
Hey, y'all ever throw it here, bro? Whoa. Like, you know, like, biblically, you know, God shows signs and things like that, bro. Bro, we're so ignorant. And like, just... We are too smart for our own good, bro. Like, what if it's really, like, what I'm trying to say is, bro, anything that will happen supernatural, like, the scientists gonna find some type of way to justify its nature. You know what I'm talking about? Even though there's biblical things that has went on that have been literally in scripture. If those things happened today, telling you, scientists will find a way to say, well, it was the compounds of the negative neurons with the positive ones, and it caused this flare that happened with the sunlight hitting the 90 degrees closer to the equator. They're going to find some type of way of justifying it, but like it's a natural occurrence. Facts.
Oh, look at that! The red one, you see that?
sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Whoa!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Yeah, I'm growing my beard out, dog.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane.
Oh, this comment. Dang! The light's still on?
In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
But they're like something in a movie. Woo! What you mean nobody was hurt? Up here. People was financially hurt, boy. What you mean? And that's the worst type of hurt. Them bills flying.
Mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand.
What?
A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year.
Yo, you gotta stay prayed up, man. Man, look at this. Like, this just... What? Boom!
They were driving down a road.
Anybody can get it at any time. Yo, look at this! That's the whole light pole! Boom!
They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow! Whoa! Oh my god!
That's crazy. No one
This
got
guy
hit
was
on
in a
that.
pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year. This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Nothing you can do. Just watch
These
your
houses in
house just
Montana got
burn.
buried under some tumbleweeds.
I'm asking y'all a question. Y'all from Louisiana, y'all. We had hurricanes and tornadoes. What do y'all do for safety measures? Like, what do y'all do? Where I'm from, they tell you go get in the tub and close the bathroom door. The tub, basement. Not everybody can afford a basement. The closet is crazy. Get down, cover up.
Oh my God.
What? Hey, that's
Back in
fire.
2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho. In 2020, a snowstorm in
If y'all seen a meteor like that, you get a text for you or a call for your homeboy, say, "Hey, bro, the thing just landed in the forest, bro. You want to go check it out for other people come here and check it out? Are y'all going?" I ain't gonna lie, I'm going. I'm going. Bro, who knows, man? You might touch and get superpowers. You gotta pay no more bills the rest of your life. Yeah, bro. I'm a kid at heart.
New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
Yeah, or get extremely sick. Facts.
In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
What you mean nobody got hurt? What do you mean nobody got hurt? Explain how nobody got hurt.
all the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt.
Oh, you good.
In 2022, Puerto Rico had flooding that was so severe
Lil
that it
Damien
destroyed this
donated
bridge.
$2. It's something about this world we don't know about. It's like our brains are stopping us from unlocking something I don't know. God bless though Cash. Just wanted to spread some of my thoughts. Love from PG.
Yeah, man. And we just very curious humans, bro. We very curious. But man, I don't want my veil to be lifted and see things I'm not supposed to see. You know, I don't want to be scarred to where I can't live no more. Hey, I would have did. Ah!
In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Hey. That would have got that oar clip right there.
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment.
Everybody's laughing. I'm so serious.
In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the?
Dang.
Tornado.
Just like that. Just like that. Nobody was hurt. Nobody was hurt. Bro, just like, look. Nature's scary.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that happened earlier this year in April 2024. This giant tornado was seen moving through Canada. That is Yenna's.
Yo, I'm going to call it out right now. Speed is going to go tornado hunting for a live stream. I'm calling out right now, and that thing going to be stupid viral. Great. Like, there are actually people out there, y'all, who go tornado hunting. And the way speed is moving around this world, bro, I'm telling you, people be doing it, bro. You know, we been seeing speed jumping off, doing backflips or anything, bro. He loves that. You know, he's the adrenaline junkie. Shout out to him. But, man, if he do a live stream where he is tornado hunting, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be the next level. If not speed, somebody else will. But speed will make the biggest impact doing this. It would be stupid huge, bro. It would go viral everywhere, man. Like, people would tune in live, bro, just to see what happened. Like, is he going to survive? And I was right here.
That is Yenna's video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Good video.